Today I'm going to show you how to divide a mixed number by a mixed number using an area model. I'm going to divide 2 and 1/3 by 1 and 1/4. The first step is to create 2 and 1/3. So I'm going to color in 2 and 1/3. And then I'm going to create 1 and 1/4. So I'm going to color in 1 and 1/4. Now, in order to do our division, we're going to do something that you wouldn't do if you were doing this with a standard algorithm. What we're going to do is we're going to divide all of these groups into the same size pieces. Because when we're dividing, what we're doing is we're looking to see how many groups of the divisor fit into the dividend. So here we go, making our groups. Everything now is in a groups of 12. So we're looking at 12ths in the top and 12ths at the bottom. Once we do that, we look at our divisor and figure out how many 12ths are in our divisor. I'm going to finish coloring all those in because I didn't color them in too nicely. So now to look at how many are in our divisor, we have 12 here and 3 here. So then we have 15 is our group size. So what we're going to do is we're going to make groups of 15 into our 2 and 1/3. So I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There is my first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 pieces left over, and that would be 13 fifteenths because our group size is 15. So our answer is going to be 1 and 13 fifteenths, which we can check by doing our standard algorithm. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7/3 divided by 5. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5/4. What am I going to do? I'm going to flip it upside down, and that gives me 28 fifteenths, or 1 and 13 fifteenths.